Welcome back to the channel, Car Enthusiasts. Today, we've got something truly special on our hands. It's the 1969 Ford Mustang, but not just any Mustang. This is a 2025 model, resurrecting the classic muscle car with modern power and styling. A gorgeous red beauty that combines vintage appeal with today's cutting-edge technology. So buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the 1969 Ford Mustang, 2025. Let's start with the exterior. When you lay eyes on this Mustang, the first thing you notice is the iconic aggressive stance. The 1969 Ford Mustang's aggressive front grille, wide body, and those sleek curves have been updated while staying true to the classic look that made this car a legend. The bold red paint shines under the sun, and with those bold black racing stripes on the hood, you can tell this car means business. The front end features those round, signature headlights, but now, they're complemented by LED technology for a modern touch. The rear end doesn't disappoint either, with that classic slotted rear window and a muscle car-style bumper, just as you'd expect from a Mustang. The wider, more muscular wheel arches house a set of 20-inch wheels that give this car a commanding presence on the road. All of this combined gives the Mustang a look that's both nostalgic and futuristic. Now, let's slide inside. Opening the door, you're greeted by a cabin that effortlessly blends old-school charm with the latest tech. The dash has been redesigned to give it a classic feel, but you'll find high-tech digital displays in place of traditional gauges. The central console is home to a sleek infotainment screen that comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system that will make you feel like you're in the front row of a concert. The seats? Well, they're sporty but comfortable, finished in premium leather that feels luxurious yet holds you in place when you're taking corners a little too aggressively. There's a healthy amount of legroom for front passengers, and even those in the back seat will have no complaints. Plus, the trunk space is surprisingly spacious for a muscle car, so don't worry about fitting your weekend getaway luggage. When it comes to performance, this 1969 Mustang, 2025, absolutely delivers. Under the hood, you'll find a 5.0L V8 engine that churns out an impressive 450 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This car can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. And even though it's a modern iteration, the exhaust note is pure Mustang, with a throaty roar that's music to any car lover's ears. But performance isn't just about straight-line speed. The Mustang's handling is sharp, thanks to a fully independent suspension system and high-performance tires that provide a tight grip on the road. Whether you're cruising down a highway or carving up some twisty mountain roads, this car feels right at home. Alright, let's talk prices. With all the modern updates and technology, the 2025 1969 Ford Mustang isn't exactly a budget-friendly option. Prices start around $55,000 for the base model and can go up to $70,000 or more for the fully loaded GT version. It's not cheap, but considering the power, design, and nostalgia packed into this car, it's definitely worth every penny. So, there you have it, the 1969 Ford Mustang, 2025, in all its glory. From the exterior that turns heads wherever it goes, to the interior that balances comfort with cutting-edge technology, and the performance that'll leave you grinning from ear to ear, this Mustang is an absolute blast. And for those with a taste for nostalgia and a love for modern power, this is the muscle car to have. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more car reviews like this, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.